English Hungarian, is there, equals.
Van.
Ask about anything. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey ready to make Hungarian feel easy and fun? Let's jump in. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, freebies, and practice. Today you'll master the tiny hero that unlocks answers.
Van.
Meaning, is there. By the end, will ask for Wi-Fi, restrooms, and secret pastries like a pro. Your goal today. Keep it simple, keep it bold, can do this in minutes. Core question, singular.
Van.
Equals is there. Plural version.
Vannak.
Equals are there. Positive short answer.
Van.
Equals there is. Negative short answer.
Nincs.
Equals there isn't. Where question helper.
Hol van?
Equals where is. Location add-on.
A közelben.
Equals nearby. Example. Is there a bathroom nearby?
Van a közelben mosdó.
Mini dialogue. Asking around town. Repeat after me, nice and clear. Excuse me, is there a bathroom nearby?
Van a közelben mosdó.
Local.
Van.
Down the hall. Is there any milk in the fridge?
Van tej a hűtőben.
Roommate.
Nincs.
We finished it. Is there a problem?
Van probléma.
Friend.
Nincs.
All good. Traveler. Is there a bus stop here?
Van itt buszmegálló.
Local.
Van.
Right around the corner. Forms and fast answers. Wants speed, here's the cheat sheet. Singular thing.
Van. Van WC.
Is there a toilet? Plural things.
Vannak. Vannak székek.
Are there chairs? Yes.
Van.
No.
Nincs.
Where?
Hol van a bolt?
Where is the shop? Near me.
A közelben. Van a közelben gyógyszertár.
Is there a pharmacy nearby? Rhyme and rhythm. Make it stick with a quick rhyme, If you want to know, not just stare, ask in Hungarian.
Van.
Is it there? Clap beat. Clap, clap, pause, say.
Van wifi. Van hely. Vannak jegyek.
Culture tip. Budapest survival. Hungry in Hungary? Asks, you get. At a ruined pub, is there draft beer?
Van csapolt sör.
At the Danube, is there a bridge nearby?
Van híd a közelben.
At a cafe, is there Wi-Fi?
Van wifi.
The password is usually on a sign. On a street. Where is the metro?
Hol van a metró?
Memory hacks, so never forgets. Tiny tricks, big wins. Mnemonic. Think of an English van delivering answers, it arrives, and.
Van.
Gesture. Raise your eyebrows, palms up, tiny head tilt as you say.
Van.
False friend, Hungarian.
Van.
Means, there is, not an English vehicle. Careful. Singular versus plural, single item.
Van.
Many.
Vannak.
Not.
Vannak WC.
If you mean one toilet. Quick quiz time. Answer out loud, I'll pause for you. 1. Translate. Is there a bank nearby? Answer.
Van a közelben bank.
2. What's the plural question form of is there? Answer.
Vannak.
3. True or false?
Van.
Asks about existence, availability. Answer. True. 4. Say. Where is the shop? Answer.
Hol van a bolt?
5. Quick answers. There is. There isn't. Answer.
Van.
/
Nincs.
Challenge of the day. Time to play in the real world, Ask 3 real questions today.
Van wifi. Van WC. Van mandulatej.
Level up with plural.
Vannak szabadasztalok.
Are there free tables? Bonus map hack at Infodesk.
Van térkép.
Fun sign off. Before do goes, a tiny joke. A white delivery van rolls by with huge letters.
Van.
Yep, the van has the question. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Van. Vannak. Van.
And
Nincs.
this episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, exercises, and freebies. Zia, do rockstar.